ndị be anyị bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ na barrister Aloy Ejimakor bụ lawyer Nnamdi Kanu na younger brother Nnamdi Kanu a na-akpọ Emmanuel Kanu na mmadụ 11 na-ejidere fa nyaa dịka fa na-eme ngagharị nke udo na Abuja Free Nnamdi Kanu ka a na-akọwa na-akpụrụgokwa afa ncha wee jee tinye n'ime ụlọ nga a na-akpọ Kuje nke dị na Abuja na fa ya nọgidekwa ebe a wee ruo on Friday onye a na-akpọ attorney ya abịa unu ya abịazikwa ka unu nụrụ ya n'ọnụ Sowore dịka fa si wee jee n'ogige ndị uwe ojii na ọ dịka fa ejere ka fa fụfa maọbụ ka fa gbapụta fa maọbụ ka fa malụkwanụ ife mere eji wee ka jide fa maka unu n'anya unu ya afụkwa na onye ọkaikpe sokwanụ fa wee jee nyabụ ife n'ọnya ka fa lụziri ebe ahụ wee na-agwa fa na-ebujegokwa ndị a n'ime ụlọ nga nke abụọkwa na fanụ n'ogige ndị uwe ojii n'ọkwa n'ime ụlọ nga ka fa nọzi ọ na-abụ na fa ya ebidokwa jebekwa unu ikpe nke fa ka ọ bụ n'ogene bịanụ ka unu gelu nnọọ ka o si wee mee ka ọ ghara ịbụ n'ọnụ m ka o si wee pụta udo chekwanụ ndị nke m
ọlọlọ Nneka Chimezie na-ekwu anyị ka na-ewetara ụlọ ọnọdụ Igbo ebe anyị na ugbu a bụ na Kuje Magistrate Court ebe anyị bịara maka ịhapụ onye ọkaikpe Nnamdi Kanu na nwanne ya nwoke bụ Emmanuel onye ọkaikpe Nnamdi Kanu bụ barrister Aloy Ejimakor na nwanne ya nwoke bụ Emmanuel na anyị bịara na protest peaceful protest nke this our president bụ onye isi ya anyị ma far back in 2014 otu ha ji wee protest ya agbala ha nkịtị mana tata a na-anakwasị the people of Nigeria ime peaceful protest ebe anyị na ụgbọ ahụ na Kuje Magistrate Court dịka m si wee kwuo na mbụ ndị anyị na ha na ebe a bụ lawyer Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na nwanne anyị nwoke nwanne dị na mba ọhịa anyị ga-eti ya nwanne dị na mba Maazị barrister Sowore. Okay.
The next president.
Mr. Sowore.
The next president.
Onye ọkaikpe nna anyị ukwu ga-agwa unu okwu kọwatara unu ihe mbọ ha na-agba ịhụ na a hapụrụ ndị ejiji nna anyị ukwu.
Yes. Ame ya ka ọ dị nkenke. Bịa m na this court, this magistrate court. Ihe m bịara bụ ka m hụ otu ihe si aga. Maka okwu a na-ekwu abụkebe ihe maka this magistrate court. No. Okwu a na-ekwu ugbu ọlụ ndị a eji eji kedu ihe ha ga-eme gbasara okwu na-abịa maka Nnamdi Kanu echi. Ile anyị ihe kọtụ kwuru kọtụ federal high court sị taa ka lọya ndị defender Nnamdi Kanu ga-abịa nọkọ dezie ha olu ka e were mara otu Nnamdi Kanu si ga-edefend the case. I get this one with the witnesses. Manakita. Aloy, one of the leading counsel in Ghana. Prince Emma Kanu, one of the witnesses along with other witnesses. So immediately know about aging there. To Attorney General of the to Inspector General of Police, to Commissioner of Police. We say, Ichikwendia, Abuhanane, Ojiji, no game in the Quena, Nnamdi Kanu, Utusiga prepare to enter the face because in the prosecution, in that case, a Missanodia matter. The next thing, Nnamdi Kanu to enter the face. And the lawyers must to help to prepare him. Now one of the lawyers is now arrested and detained. One of the witnesses arrested and detained. Which means the process of
No. Please talk to people. I mean, you are the convener of this protest. Please, can you give them a brief on how you are see things going, please?
Well, let me thank everybody who came out yesterday across the world. We're not just trying to make a small statement. We want Nnamdi Kanu to be free.
Yes.
He must be free.
It's
non-negotiable.
It's
It's non-negotiable.
What I want to say is because I'm saying that Yoruba man is fighting for Igbo man.
Longer divide us.
Yes.
They have discovered that this one has come to unite us.
Exactly.
The oppressed.
Exactly.
And that is why they are very worried. And I hope they continue to be worried. Because the voice is loud now.
Exactly.
And we are unstoppable.
Exactly.
And we will ensure that Nnamdi Kanu is free.
Yes.
There's nothing they didn't do to us yesterday, including opening fire on us. So I'm not surprised that today or yesterday they targeted his lawyers. They even said it. The presidential spokesperson, Barr, said it, that the lawyer had no business protesting.
Imagine.
They were about to release them yesterday on bail because they committed no crime anyways, and then suddenly changed their mind and even attacked us in front of the FCT command. What they are trying to do is that they know they don't have a case, and the lawyer, the lead lawyer, who has been challenging them, they want to put him away at the time that they said his clients should open his defense. You are the one who said go and open his defense. Yes. The lawyer is preparing, but now you are taking the lawyer away so that he cannot prepare for him to open his defense. What we're trying to say is that we got here this morning, and lo and behold, the police has rushed here without letting his lawyers be aware of their client's whereabouts. And the judge, upon discovering that there was no lawyer around, has sent them to Kuje. That was the goal of the illegal IG, to send this guy away. That's the goal of Tinubu, to make sure that there are no lawyers to defend him when he returns to court, to open his defense. That is it. That is the tactic you are saying now. And you see that they're also sponsoring propaganda that it was Sowore that got them arrested. Yeah. It is part of the propaganda so that they will use that to divide us.
They are used to propaganda.
Yes. And we are used to that. I am here to get Nnamdi Kanu released.
Yes.
And nobody who's been held, including Igbos that were tagged IPOB members, who are all languishing in several detentions, in Wanwa Barrack, in Tiger Base, we will get everybody out.
Yes.
It's either we are free in this country or we ensure that we fight for our independence again.
Exactly.
Yes.
That is
Freedom
why,
or nothing.
That is why I have no apologies. When you hear me say that Nigeria needs a revolution, this is what I mean.
Yes, we need
Because
revolution.
without a revolution, everybody will take you for granted. Even a chicken can take you for granted. Bees, flies, we take you for granted. Rats, we take you for granted. But in this case, we are prepared for whatever it will take. That's why they never thought I could come out yesterday. And they said, after the tear gas, they thought it was over. Yes. We protested in this Abuja in 6 places. Yes. We were imagined in different parts of the city. And with their help, they were able to help us shut down the city.
Exactly.
Even the judge who gave an order that we cannot go to Aso Road could not resume to work yesterday. We hear his own case. So, but just be prepared. Those of you who were afraid this last time or who were convinced not to come out, know that nothing can happen to you if we all unite en masse.
Exactly.
If the mass decide today that we want Nnamdi Kanu released, they will release him.
When people say yes, nobody can say no.
Revolution!
No! Revolution!